Hey shop owners, Ron Ipach here. Thank you very much for joining me on today's video. If you need customers, give me the next 3 minutes of your time and I'll show you exactly how to fill your shop with high quality, high paying customers. So let's get right into it. Number one, who's the best customer that you want to attract to your shop? Well, it's somebody who's already done business with you. Look, think about it. They've already done business with you, so they know you, they like you, and they trust you. And it's much easier to sell to that person the second, the third, and fourth time they come into your shop. Number two, each customer that you attract to your shop is worth 4 visits to your shop every single year. Think about it. How many times should a 6 to a 16-year-old car be serviced every single year? I'm sure you'd agree at least 2 times per year, right? Now let's look at all your customers. How many cars do they have sitting in their driveway at night? Well, they've got at least 2 of those cars sitting in the driveway. So 2 visits per car, 2 cars. Every customer should be worth 4 visits to you every single year. Number 3, not all of your customers are created equal. Recently, we looked at a database of 1,000 customers and we ranked them from top to bottom as far as their average ticket. And you know what we found? The top 50% of the customers were worth an average ticket of $1,001. The bottom 50% of the database, a measly $168. Not everybody that's already done business with you is the perfect customer for you. It's more important that you pick and choose those customers that you want to attract back to your business. Number 4, your current customers are the easiest people in the world to attract to your shop. Think about it. You already have all of their contact information. You can send them a text. You can send them an email. You can call them up on a phone. You can send a postcard to them. You have all of that data in your database already. So why is all of this so darn important? Well, I'll bet right now that your customers aren't currently returning 4 times per year. If you don't believe me, check it out for yourself. Every customer should have at least 4 visits in your shop. And the reality is a previous customer is 10 times more likely to respond to any marketing that you send to them. And remember, we don't have to market to everybody. We're marketing only people that we have a current relationship with, and we're only marketing to the top 50% of the people that we have a current relationship with. So all of your marketing is going to be cheap. It's going to be easy and highly effective. So before you go out and spend all the big bucks trying to figure out ways to get customers in the door, let's make it nice and easy. Let's pick the low-hanging fruit. Let's market to people that already know, love, and trust you and already spend really good money in your shop. This is the easy way to do the marketing. I hope this helps. Oh, and before you go, please do me a big favor. Please go down, smash that like button, make a comment below, share this video with another shop owner that you believe this will help. Show me a little love. I'll see you on the next video.